Oris watches, a distinguished Swiss brand, embodying craftsmanship and innovation since 1904. Renowned for their commitment to mechanical excellence, Oris timepieces are known for their precision and robust design. From the iconic Divers 65 collection to the Artelier series, Oris offers a range of watches for every style. Each Oris watch is a testament to their dedication to quality, reflecting the brand's passion for traditional watchmaking and contemporary aesthetics. All the links to the watches you'll find in the description below. Number 5. Oris the ProPilot Altimeter 2023. A groundbreaking fusion of pilot functionality and innovative design. This exceptional timepiece takes aviation watches to new heights with its integrated mechanical altimeter. The 42mm stainless steel case exudes strength and durability, while the black dial, adorned with bold Arabic numerals and superluminova indices, guarantees optimal legibility during flight. The altimeter, nestled within the outer ring of the dial, allows pilots to track altitude changes accurately. Powered by the reliable Oris Calibre 581 automatic movement, this watch ensures precision and performance in the skies. Presented with a brown textile strap, it exemplifies the epitome of function and style, making the Oris ProPilot Altimeter 2023 a must-have for pilots and aviation enthusiasts seeking a tool watch that goes above and beyond. Number 4. Oris Big Crown Pointer Date 80th Anniversary Men's Watch. A timeless tribute to an iconic design. Celebrating 8 decades of horological excellence, this timepiece features a 40mm stainless steel case, reminiscent of the original Big Crown design from the 1930s. The distinctive oversized crown and fluted bezel add a vintage touch. The silver dial showcases elegant blue hour markers and hands, offering a classic aesthetic, while the red-tipped central seconds hand and date pointer enhance functionality. Powered by the Oris Calibre 754 automatic movement, it promises precise timekeeping and a convenient date function. Paired with a brown leather strap, this limited edition timepiece is in homage to Oris heritage and craftsmanship, making it a cherished accessory for aficionados of both timeless design and watchmaking excellence. Number 3. Oris Aquis Limited Edition Lake Baikal. A tribute to the mesmerizing depths of the world's deepest lake. The 43.5mm stainless steel case, symbolizing the rugged beauty of Lake Baikal, houses a stunning gradient blue dial mirroring the lake's changing hues. The wave-like pattern pays homage to its rippling surface. The striking red accents and superluminova coated hands and indices ensure excellent readability in any light. The unidirectional rotating bezel with a ceramic insert adds both style and functionality for diving enthusiasts. Powered by the Oris Calibre 733 automatic movement, this watch offers precise timekeeping and a date function. With a water resistance of 300 meters, this limited edition is more than just a watch. It's a celebration of Lake Baikal's natural wonder and a tribute to the spirit of exploration. Number 2. Oris Aquis Date Relief Gray Dial Watch. A fusion of style and substance. The 43.5mm stainless steel case exudes strength and elegance, designed to withstand the rigors of underwater exploration. The stunning gray relief dial, reminiscent of ocean waves, catches the light beautifully, complemented by luminous indices and hands for optimal visibility. The unidirectional rotating bezel and bold markers emphasize its functionality and diving capabilities. Powered by the Oris Calibre 733 automatic movement, it ensures precise timekeeping and a convenient date display at the 6 o'clock position. Paired with a stainless steel bracelet, this watch is a perfect blend of design and utility, making it a versatile choice for those seeking both a sophisticated timepiece and a reliable diving companion. Number 1. Oris Holstein Edition 2022. A horological gem paying homage to the Swiss watchmaking heritage and Oris' hometown, Holstein. The 42mm stainless steel case exudes timeless elegance, embodying a perfect balance of size and style. The stunning sunburst green dial captivates with its vibrant hue, embellished with polished silver tone hands and indices. The date window at 6 o'clock adds practicality to the design. Powered by the Oris Calibre 400 and one automatic movement, this watch guarantees precision and a commendable power reserve. Fitted with a brown leather strap, the Oris Holstein Edition 2022 blends tradition with modern sophistication, making it a cherished choice for both watch aficionados and those appreciating Swiss craftsmanship.